Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth question. This is same as one of the previous question that we have done. Here there are four columns, course, ID, class and marks. Here we have to create a subset of the course with the condition the course has to be lesser than 3. We have to use square brackets for this particular purpose. So we already have seen how we can use these square brackets. Also we have seen how to make a subset using that. So pause the video and try to do it by your own. I hope you tried and let's hope you get the correct answer. So now let's check the answer. So over here I have just created the data frame that is given in the question, and now we are supposed to create a subset where the course value is lesser than 3. That means the result will contain these two rows only. So for doing that we have to use square brackets. So over here you can see we have created a variable subset course less than 3, and inside this variable the code output of this will be stored. So over here you can see we have accessed the course data, and inside this we have to specify two things. First is the row condition and next is the column. Now since we want all the columns, that is why we have kept this empty. Now over here the row condition is simple. The variable name course from the course data set has to be less than 3. That's it. This is the condition. And once this is done, we are just printing the results. So let's try to print and let's see whether we are getting the correct results or not. So yes, you can see over here, the course values are lesser than 3. These two are the final records. So I hope it is clear how to make subset. Now in the second part of the question, we have to create a subset where the column course is less than 3 or the class value equals to 2. Now this time we have to use the subset function to create this particular subset. And also we have to demonstrate the output. So let's have a look how we can do this. Do you want to check out this attractive funny memes? Then what are you waiting for? These are just a glimpse of the memes that I've created on my Instagram page. You can find the link to my Instagram handle in the description box. Please visit the link and do watch all these interesting funny memes. These are not just memes. These memes and reels contains technical information. Here I try to relate memes with the technological concepts. So please do appreciate that by watching all those. And if you love it, please hit the follow button. So this is the data frame, and now we have to create a subset where the course column is less than 3 or the class value equals to 2. So let's write the code. Here you can see we have used subset function, and inside this we have passed on the data in which this data frame is stored, and then we have written a condition. I already told you what the subset function does. It takes the data, and then the second parameter is the condition that has to be applied on this particular data to create subset. Over here, there are two conditions, and both the conditions are separated by this OR operator. You can see the first condition is course has to be lesser than 3, and the second condition is that the class has to be equal to 2. But there is a OR operator in between. Always remember this is the OR operator and this is the AND operator. But here we have to use the OR operator. Now, once we create the subset, we'll store it in the variable subset underscore course underscore class underscore condition, and we'll try to print it. So let's try to run this particular small piece of code and let's see we are getting the correct results or not. Here you can see we are getting this particular result of 4 rows. Now why we are getting 4 rows? Because according to the first condition, the course has to be lesser than 3. So now based on these conditions, first two rows will be a part of the result because there is a OR operator. So you can see in the result, first two rows are already there. And class has to be equal to 2. So from the entire data set, wherever the class is equal to 2, you can see the second row has the class equal to 2, which is already a part of the result. The fourth row has a class equal to 2. Now it is a part of the result. The sixth row has the class equal to 2. That is why it is also a part of the result. So I hope this thing is clear how we are getting this 4 records as the subset. So with that, we are done with all the problems. I am also sure that you guys won't be having any doubt. But if in case you have, then you can straight away put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to solve it. If you guys have any suggestions or reviews regarding this particular videos or upcoming videos, then please drop that in the comment section. Also, I'll be sharing the documentation of these sums in the description box. For more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please try to share this particular video as much as possible with all your friends. Thanks for watching and have a good day.